Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, today is Friday. Today we don't have any major event during the US session, but still you guys need to be careful because Friday can bring some volatility, crazy amount of volatility, profit booking, because of which there may be some unexpected movements, spikes in the market. So during the US session or later part of the US session, if you see some unexpected moves in the market, okay, shut down the laptop, do not trade, and just take risk, because when profit booking comes, okay, things can be a little bit dangerous, because there is a famous saying, okay, or if you have been trading for a considerable amount of time, you must be knowing that market opening and market closing are really dangerous, so be careful. And we have the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is still trading inside a range. The market is choppy as expected, trapping buyers and sellers and making everyone crazy. And yes, as we all know, this candle or this week, okay, gave heart attack to thousands of traders. Okay, so be careful during the US session. As you can see that I have drawn many lines on the chart, so let's try to understand them one by one. Listen to me carefully. First of all, okay, let's discuss about the range. You can see that we have a range here, 3375 at the top and 328582 at the bottom. The black line is showing the range of gold right now. We can expect the market to remain within this range. There's a high chance that if gold goes up also, 3375, okay, may be off, because in the last few days gold has tried to break 3375. It has tested the level 3 to 4 times already. So next time there is a high chance that market may go up and break 3375, but as of now we can see that 3375 and 3285 is the range of gold right now. Okay, and if gold drops from here, the first scenario is if gold drops from the current market position, then we can look for a support around 329896. Yesterday we discussed about this support around 3308 area. Market bounced from 0910, but yes, this support is no longer valid. Today our support zone, the first support is around 329896 and the second support is 328582. These are the two levels where we can look for a buy position if market takes support. Already we have discussed why are we considering, because 329896 previous suggestions working as support, and 328582 because market has taken support around this area previously. And today if market breaks 3309, we can look for a sell position below it. If market breaks 3309 area, we can look for a 50 to 60 pips selling opportunity here. Means sell here, buy here, and buy here. So these are the three trading opportunities on the chart of gold where we can trade if market behaves according to our expectation. Okay, you can see that I have also drawn some dotted lines here. Let's try to understand that. So these dotted lines, okay, listen to me carefully. These dotted lines, okay, are from Fibonacci. These are the Fibonacci retracement levels. The first is around, this is the first Fibonacci retracement level. You can see 0.382. Already the 0.236 has done the job, so it's no longer valid. So 3331, 3300 is a next level where you can look for a buy position. How much you can expect? It's a 15 minutes Fibonacci, so you can expect around 40 pips. How much should be a stop loss? 40 pips only, means 1:1 risk to reward ratio. The second Fibo support is around 3322 and then 331716. So these are the three Fibo levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. Actually, with 4 levels. Okay, you can also consider this. Okay, but keep in mind these are not very strong levels. Means during the US session okay, chances are very less that they are going to work. But before US session, when we do not have much volume, just कि अभी हमें दिख रहा है, there's not much volume in the market, so we can look for a quick buy around this area. Let me write it down. Okay, 3327, then 3322, then 3317. So these are the four levels where we can look for a quick bounce of 40 pips. Keep in mind, one level, one bounce only. Once market will hit the level, if you see market is showing prices action from below, hit the buy button. Once you get for 30 to 40 pips, exit immediately, because when market will be approaching the level again, it will not work. Chances are very less. Okay, so these are the minor risky levels where you can look for a buy position. Keep in mind, these are high risk levels. Why high risk? Because we have derived these levels from the lower time frame, and levels on lower time frame are not very strong. Okay, and if market goes up, okay, so whatever we have discussed so far are the trading opportunities if market goes down from the current level. If market goes up, then we can look for a buy above 3345. 3345, why? Because market will break the range here and we can expect 40 pips. Why only 40 pips if market goes up? Because market will be heading towards 3350. It's a round number, it's a psychological resistance. So after 40 pips, if you see the market is struggling, exit immediately from the buy position. So 3345 can give you a buying opportunity. And the role of 3357 is little bit skeptical here. Okay, we are not very sure, okay, how market is going to approach it. So it's difficult to say right now. If market reverses from 335657 area, we can look for a sell. But if you see that there is a sudden bullish movement in the market, market is approaching 3357 with big green candles, then obviously you should be looking for buy position only. You can see one level, okay, but two different trading opportunities. Okay, you can go for a sell if market reverses. If market hits with big green candle, there is a high chance the market will break it and we can look for a buy. Okay, so market is choppy right now, market is sideways, no direction, so we are looking for trading opportunities on both sides of the market. In fact, in a previous video also we have looked at a daily chart. Daily chart is also clueless in which direction the market is moving. We just know that the overall chart is bullish. But as of now, as a day trader, okay, we can see that the opportunities are not very great. Okay, so be careful and stick to the stop loss, because any level may betray, any level can go wrong, no level is permanent. But if you hold your losses, then it can be very dangerous, because 100% accuracy is not possible, but exit is in your hands. Okay, so let me wrap it up. The range of goal is 3375 at the top and 3285 at the bottom. As market has already tested 3375 3 to 4 times already, there's a high chance that this time market will be able to succeed and market will be able to break it. If it does, we can look for a buy above it. Okay, and right now market is choppy, no direction. So if market goes up from the current level, we can look for a buy above 3345 area, but 3350 is near, so after 40-50 pips, it's better to exit. We are not very sure how 3357 is going to react. Earlier it was resistance, okay, but this time if market goes up with low volume, market won't be able to break it, we can sell. But if market goes up with high volume, okay, then we can look for a buy above it. Market is full of surprises, isn't it? And if market goes down from the current level, we can look for a buy, best buy around 328582 area. That is the best level to look for a buy support. But before this level, we have also support around 32898, 3296 area as well, this one. Okay, and yesterday this level has already done the job, so we are looking for a sell position below it. And overall market is forming lower lows here, so there's a chance that we can score some opportunity pips below 3309 area. And if market remains like this, then it will be very difficult for us to trade, isn't it? So we also have some minor risky selling opportunities, okay, from the Fibonacci that won't give us okay, big profit, but yes, we can go for it as well. Around 3330, 3331. We can look for a 40 pips. Then we have 3327, 3322, 331617. So these are the opportunities, okay, for scalpers, high risk day traders. Be careful. Again, repeating, these are high risk levels. If you're not a fan of high risk levels, then please stay away from it. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, be careful. If market acts crazy during the US session, okay, no need to trade, just stay away from the market.